Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I confidently call the best black leaves artificial flowers on the market. The Laelfe artificial eucalyptus stems with black leaves. If you're looking to add a unique, gothic, or Halloween-inspired touch to your home decor, these stunning black eucalyptus stems are a perfect choice. Right out of the box, you'll receive 6 bundles, each with 4 branches, totaling 24 branches of beautifully crafted black eucalyptus. Each stem measures about 14 inches long, making them versatile enough to work in a variety of settings, from bathroom accents to table centerpieces and beyond. The length is also adjustable, so you can trim them to fit your specific needs. One of the standout features of these artificial stems is their material quality. Made from high-quality silk and durable plastic, these flowers maintain their shape and appearance over time without wilting or fading. They also include a built-in wire inside the stems, which means you can bend and shape them to match your desired arrangement. This flexibility is fantastic for DIY projects or custom floral displays. What truly makes these eucalyptus stems impressive is how realistic they look. The black leaves and flowers have an authentic texture and shading that mimic real eucalyptus, delivering a natural yet edgy aesthetic. Whether you're decorating for Halloween, embracing gothic vibes, or simply want something different for your farmhouse or modern decor, these artificial stems bring that sophisticated mystery and elegance to any space. These stems aren't just visually striking, they are also incredibly practical. Since they are artificial, there's no need for watering, pruning, or any special care. They remain vibrant and fresh all year round, which means you can enjoy their beauty long after the Halloween season ends. This makes them a smart investment for anyone who loves seasonal decor or wants low-maintenance greenery. The versatility of these black eucalyptus stems extends to their usage. You can place them indoors or outdoors, though they are primarily designed for indoor use like bathrooms, living rooms, or office spaces. They make beautiful additions to weddings, party decorations, and DIY floral bouquets. Their gothic appeal adds a bold contrast to lighter decor themes or complements darker aesthetics perfectly. The overall dimensions are compact enough to fit on smaller tables or shelves without overwhelming the space, yet they provide enough volume to make a statement. At just about 1.6 ounces per stem, they are lightweight and easy to arrange wherever you like. Plus, the pure black color sets them apart from traditional green eucalyptus, giving you a fresh and artistic option for floral decoration. In summary, the Laelfe artificial black eucalyptus stems are a beautifully crafted, realistic, and versatile option for anyone seeking the best black leaves artificial flowers. Their high-quality materials, adjustable wire stems, and elegant gothic style make them suitable for many decorating needs, from Halloween to everyday interior design. If you want to elevate your decor with a unique and maintenance-free floral option, these stems are a great pick. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next product spotlight. See you next time.